This is the stunning Temple of Hathor at Denderah. We're in the hypostyle hall built by the JulioClaudians, Tiberius, Claudius, maybe started by Augustus. Look at these stunning pillars showing Hathor. Actually, they're Hathoric sistrums, the rattles that were sacred to her. And the color has been cleaned by the Italian teams. This is such an important hall. And Denderah was a sacred place going back even to the Old Kingdom, the pre-dynastic, but this temple dates to the Ptolemies and the Roman period. But look at the stunning room and the ceilings showing the phases of showing the stars at night, even the phases of the moon, and also Nut. Let's walk over here and take a look at Nut swallowing the sun and giving birth to the new day. Let's take a walk around this hypostyle. The faces of Hathor, unfortunately, have been destroyed during Christian times when they were trying to etch out faces of the pagan gods. But up here, if we come to this corner, and we look here, way up there, not only will you see the decans, the stars of the sky, you'll see this beautiful rendering of the face of Nut with her arms extended. She's swallowing the sun at the end of the day. It flows through her body all the way. You can see they've drawn these lines like water, like the sky was water, the Nile was water, and then there it emerges as a new day. And because this festival, do you see down there with the new day emerging? Also, it's shining in this beautiful ceiling painting. It's shining on a statue of her placed in her shrine on the New Year's Day to regenerate her divine energy. This is beautiful. Let's walk right down here and see it. They've actually depicted this New Year's Day festival with the rebirth of the sun on the morning of the New Year's Day, which happened with the coming of the Akhet season. And let's just take one final look through this beautiful temple. And I'm so happy to be at my favorite temple in Egypt, Denderah, the Temple of Hathor.